guys, so we're here making a dalgona coffee. Charot to, kabalon sa ni.
Gikapin niya akong
Idea. So this is a coffee, black coffee.
No, I this.
No? Then this is a creamier.
No, I this.
Liquid creamier. Creamier.
No.
So spread lang na ko siya sa gilid kay para nice style.
Pangupya siya ka idea,
Style is
guys.
there.
Pamina na niya, pangupya siya ka idea, guys. She copied my idea.
No, it's not. This is what I'm talking about.
No,
But
I.
I'm gonna add some hot water na lang dayon.
Sama ka
So
naman.
this is it.
No.
And this is the inside.
Ako, bigyan ka kabalo. Kabalo sa mga niya. Dapat, huwag mo nag-iuna ang kwan. Huwag mo nag-iuna ang coffee.
Kira mo na.
Kabalo. Tawa. Nakuha na noon.
That is my own style. What are you doing?
My dude, guys. She's copying me.
Yeah,
Look at her
No,
face.
it's
She
not.
looks like a copycat.
making this.
Come and dance. Wanting this.
Ako man lang kung ay gatas. This
This is her.
No.
What do you call it this? A coffee with milk.
ito, guys, nabuang niya kung maumas ito yung English.
I think this is enough. Guys, do you approve ba? Charot. Then, a little drop to the center because I'm gonna add some water here, hot water with ice. So, now I'm gonna put the ice.
Bobo.
Huh? Oh! Oh! Oh!
Ow! Ow!
Oh.
Ow!
So, can you get the hot water, please?
Boy, ito ko yung idea, please.
Yes, baby. What happened, Bella? Are you crying, Bella? Bumper will fit to me.
Add.
No, I'm not gonna add any sugar. I'm gonna taste it first if the sweetness is in my.
It's actually for me. For your information.
Oh no. I think this is good.
It looks like a mess here. Look at that.
It's a style. It's a style.
Don't believe her, guys. She's acting crazy.
And then you're gonna mix it up like this. What? What happened, Bella? Are you crying?
No, I will kiss.
No? Are you crying?
Mama, gawin mo, Gikon.
I will say Ricky.
Better. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. A little kind of better, but I like because I don't like sweet. Ay, yung. Sorry. Background music na mo. Background music. What happened, Bella?
Masyang araw.
Why are you crying, Bella? Bumper will fit to me. Milk, do you
Ako na eh.
Oh, you want this? Wait. You try.
Try.
Wow. The more, the merrier, Char. The more creamy, the creamier. The more creamy, the creamier.
Yan na what creamy means siya. Kana, liquid man kayo na. Creamy, kaya mo siya sticky, mo siya foam. Ay, ligay, right. Ang gayo mo.
Naro mo. You like this
Pangit
one?
na.
You like this one?
Pangit man ay mo, ha?
You like it? Huh? No?
Milain
Don't like it?
Nara, di ba? Ganahan sa kuwaw.
Okay, pait-pait. Mandiyan ako.
Ang pait singaw.
Goodbye, guys.